Guys, welcome to my page. Today we are going to unbox the Funday box. You ready? Let's go. Let's see what it looks like. Soda. T-shirt pack. Okay, but you know what we're here for. These are cool. Hopefully I get the chase. That too. Oh, this is heavy. I'm really hoping.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody, calm down.
I get something fake. Unbox time. Looks like it was sealed and then resealed because it did a shitty job because the flap's open. Yes. Okay, guys. Fingers crossed.
10 years later.
Alright, I did feel 3 pops. Not looking, but let's go. With the first pop on the left. Please subscribe and like my page. Thumbs up. What'd I get? The bear. Look how cool that shit is. Angry bear. Let's go. Metallic one. Oh, this is fire. This is so fire. Ooh. Oh, I wanted this one too. Come on. This is light. Oh, it's Polka Dot Man as Freddy Funko. Last Magic. I really want the Green Ranger. So this can work. Oh, what is this? Freddy Funko as Mad Hatter. Damn. I was really hoping for Green Ranger. Alright, that's my box. And 2 sets. What? Freddy Funko is Batman? 5,000 pieces. Fire. And Freddy Funko as He-Man. 5,000 pieces. I was really hoping for Green Ranger, but I'll take whatever I got. That's what I got. So in the end, I didn't get the Green Ranger, but I did get a cool Megatron, and it's the metallic one. So it's still a win. Well, I'm not crying that I didn't get the Green Ranger. I wish I did. But I'm still happy.